Here's one super simple and easy way to improve your confidence. I was working with a one-on-one client earlier, and she specifically wanted to improve her confidence in presenting in front of C-suite executives. So I suggested she come up with an affirmation statement, something she could say to herself prior to the presentation in order to reframe her mindset. Her first idea was, "You got this." Now, there's nothing wrong with "you got this." However, our brains need more specific information in order to rewrite the pathways that we already have. So we came up with a more powerful statement. We landed on, "I am confident when presenting to executives." So prior to presentations, she closes her eyes, takes a few deep breaths, and then confidently says, "I am confident presenting in front of executives." To really ingrain this process into your subconscious, repeat the statement many times with confidence and conviction. You can even write it down or have a little sticky note on your desk or on your mirror. So try it out for yourself. Decide exactly what it is that you want, what new pathway you want to create in your brain, and come up with a strong statement to support that. If you have questions, let me know in the comments what you're struggling with, and I can help you come up with a statement. If you enjoyed this video, follow me here for more tips on peak performance and confidence.